Hi boys and girls, this is lesson 15. I can make drawings and equations to show addition stories. There are some materials you're going to need. There are actually 7 of them, so listen carefully. First, you're going to need 8 Unifix cubes, all the same color. So wherever your teacher has your Unifix cubes for you, go and get 8. You're also going to need a cup to put the cubes in, a dry erase marker, an eraser, a dry erase board. You'll need to find where your teacher has a piece of tape on the floor, and you need a buddy. Pause the video and go get all 7 of those items right now. Welcome back. Now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to use our dry erase board to draw a problem. So listen, go ahead and get your marker ready and your dry erase board, and both partners can do this on their own boards. You're having a party. You get 8 presents. 2 presents have stripes and 6 presents have polka dots. Draw the presents and write the number sentence 2 different ways on your personal whiteboard. Go ahead and pause the video while you write that problem down. Remember that there are 2 presents that have stripes and there are 6 presents that have polka dots. Go ahead and draw your problem out. Welcome back. We are going to look at your problem and Mrs. White's problem up on the screen. I have 2 striped presents, and let's count as I draw my polka dot ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Does your drawing look like this drawing? Great job. Now the next part of it said to write a number sentence 2 different ways. I'm going to start out with 2 plus, did you guess what comes next? You're right, 6. 2 plus 6 equals, how many do I have all together? What is the whole? 8. You're right. Great job. Now we're going to reverse the problem and write it a different way. 8 equals, you already guessed what I'm going to put first, didn't you? 2 plus, the last number is? Correct, 6. So I wrote the problem 2 different ways also. Great job. Now, boys and girls, we're going to switch to a different type of problem. What I want you to do is I want you to get your cup with the 8 cubes in there, and you're going to be right by where the line is, the tape on the floor, because we are ready to play the gravity game. So make sure you have all those supplies ready and that you have your dry erase board erased so you're ready to write on it. Are you ready? Great. What I want you to do is you shake up your cup and you dump the cubes out on the floor by the tape. Some of the cubes are going to go on one side of the tape and the other cubes are going on the other, so they'll be in 2 parts, part. Count how many you have on each side. Write a number sentence about your cubes. Go ahead and pause the video while you do this. Welcome back, boys and girls. Did your number sentence look something like this? 8 equals? I bet it does. Go ahead and do this 2 more times. And then you are all done. You can put these supplies away and get ready to do the next part of the lesson, which is the problem set. I'm really proud of you. You did a really good job today.